Fortune 1000 type customers, they have lots of diverse manufacturing needs, lots of diverse plants, and they need a partner who can think through the design for them and deliver from cradle to grave, from the concepting to the engineering to the project management to actually manufacturing the product to post-sale support, and that's what we do. We do it better than anybody.
We're known in the industry as overbuilding what we do. I mean, we make high quality Cadillac stuff. So, we don't compete on price typically. We compete on quality and on service.
Historically, we are Airfloat, and so with that, we have the Aircaster. And the Aircaster is a technology that allows us to move extremely heavy loads throughout facilities with very low friction on a film of air. As we implemented those systems into many different facilities across the world, we continue to identify problems within plants and offered solutions.
We've been in business for about 50 years, so we've kind of learned to adapt over time. And along the way, we've become a broader material handling solutions provider. So in response to that bigger envelope, we added a second brand. So Align Production Systems was introduced to promote some of our other solutions, the turntables, the mold and die changers, the conveyance systems, positioners, and a variety of other custom projects. We're a customer-driven company, so one of the most important things for us to be aware of not only is where have we been, but also we have to ask ourselves, where is this industry taking us in the future? So we realized that with the advancements in battery and controls technology, our industry was ready for a new family of more advanced movement systems, in this case, omnidirectional wheel-based transporting systems. This includes AGVs or automated guided vehicles. So we had a choice, we either could build it ourselves or we could find a partner who's already an expert, and so we decided to partner.
So in 2019, we acquired part of Hedin Lagan, which is a Swedish company that's been dedicated to this space for about 30 years. And instantaneously, we gained a lot of ground with the designs, with the customer relationships, and the dedication to the products that they've built over that long span of time. And immediately, we had the ability to build and service this equipment right here in North America.
So that partnership really put us at the forefront of transporter and AGV technology. And it also gave us a true global reach, which is something that we have found our customers are demanding of us now. So now we can move and position million-pound plus loads using Aircasters or on battery-powered wheeled systems.
We're the first company to be able to offer that, and we're really the only ones that can provide and manufacture a complete solution.
Customers matter. We need to continue to be a customer-driven company.
We stand behind our product, whether it's a custom build or a standard product for us. If the customer's not happy, we go out and fix it or work on it until they are happy.
Service and support is key because ultimately when it's in the field, what's at the heart of that is our customers' uptime. We put a lot of thought into the product. We use our laser technology to make the product in a manner that is highly replicable, that's very accurate and precise. We use SolidWorks, we use PDM, we use FEA analysis. All of our engineers are degreed engineers working on the product because ultimately at the end of the day, customers want the product to work. They want it to perform and they want their people to be safe and they want it to be thoughtful.
We're designing a piece of equipment that's never been built before to move, a lot of times, a piece of equipment that's never been built before.
Most people are focused on aerospace, they're focused on automotive. Our products are able to be adapted to so many different industries, and the value that provides in the marketplace, it's pretty remarkable, really.
Technology is just getting better, faster, smarter, and cheaper. We can now start taking things that we dreamed of doing in the past and actually start applying them into situations where it didn't used to be feasible for the return on investment. And we're seeing that in heavy industry. And so innovation has to continue to be the lifeblood of our company. And I believe that is the future that will define us.